Check out this Jeep 2016 Cherokee 75th Anniversary Edition. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, auxiliary transmission oil cooler, rear window defroster and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.